Welcome to Mum Core Channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I will share with you my recipe for Adobong Kangkong. Here are the ingredients: garlic, onion, kangkong leaves, kangkong stalks, soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, black pepper, green and red chili, oil. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of canola oil. When the oil is hot, fry the Siling haba for a minute to infuse the flavor into the oil. Then sauté the 10 cloves of sliced garlic. Add 1 medium sliced onion. Cook the kangkong stalks until they soften, about 2 to 3 minutes. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Pour in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix thoroughly. Cover for a minute. Add the kangkong leaves. Then pour 2 tablespoons of hot water. Flip with tongs to avoid making them mushy. It wasn't shown in the video, but I did put in 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Cover for 30 seconds or more, depending on how soft you want the kangkong. Optional, add the red chili on the side if you like it spicy. Plate now the kangkong. If you found this recipe easy to follow, hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.